I'm a big believer in the time-old saying, good ain't cheap and cheap ain't good. But why is building a website so damn expensive? Well, the truth is, it doesn't necessarily have to be. I mean, for example, you can get a templated website in the hundreds or early thousands. However, if you've got a marketing budget there, and you want something that's going to serve your marketing goals, to generate leads, to generate sales, and provide an ROI for your business, then you need to invest in a quality solution. So to do so, many web companies, including ourselves at WebChoice, have a proven process to achieve results through web design and development. So this starts with stage one, that's research. So on our side, that involves actually going through a questionnaire, either sending you a document or asking via a Skype call or phone call, and going through your goals, objectives, how you want this site to look and feel, what you want to achieve out of it. We'll have an in-depth conversation with you and go through our design and development team to make sure we understand your goals. Stage two, once that's all done, is the user experience design. So that involves putting together user flows, wireframes, which essentially map out the elements and the key bones of the website. After that's all approved, we move on to user interface design, which is essentially skinning the wireframes, so making sure the website looks beautiful, making sure you're fully happy with all the visuals of the website, all the key pages and the look and feel. And then once that's all approved, we move on to the exciting part, the development, which is where everything gets functional. So it starts off with front-end development, which is how users actually interact with your site, what they're clicking through and what they're actually interacting with. Then it's back-end development. So that's actually the admin side, known as the content management system, or CMS for short, where you can have full control of your website through a secure and robust admin panel. So you can manage all the content. If it's e-commerce, you can manage all the orders, check on customer details, and much, much more. Once the back-end dev's done, it's QA, quality assurance testing. So we test the site on all major browsers, all major devices, so mobile, tablet, smartphone, etc. Make sure it works seamlessly and gives a perfect user experience through all devices and browsers. So once the website's fully tested, it's time to launch it. It's time to go live on a hosting server and make it live on the World Wide Web. Now, a website static with no traffic is almost useless, so it needs to be effectively marketed to generate leads or to generate traffic and sales. So this involves SEO to get organic traffic, this involves paid ads, it could be social media marketing, it could be email marketing. The best way is to utilize all the channels that your customers reside on to get leads and sales. Now, let's say this process that I've just gone through in detail was for a booking events website. Let's pretend it took 30 working days to go through all the steps and get it live. For example, our day rate is 360 plus VAT. So that times 30 working days is just under 11k, so you can see how it soon adds up. Now let's pretend it was for a site that was much more complex, that was database driven, it was e-commerce, it had thousands of products and various user levels. It could easily take 100 or so days, and you can see that the cost can soon rise and rise. But if you want an end product that's going to actually serve your marketing goals, you need to invest carefully, otherwise it's not going to serve you for the long term. At WebChoice, we love working on custom bespoke solutions designed to fit your marketing goals, so please do get in touch. And finally, if you've got any comments or questions, please post them in the comments below, and I look forward to hearing from you.